we'll guide you through how to use Claude for coding. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Claude website. You'll need to create an account if you haven't already, so look for the Sign Up button and fill in your details. Once you're logged in, you should see the interface with a prompt area where you can start interacting with Claude. To begin coding, type your question or problem statement into the prompt area. Claude is designed to understand natural language, so you can phrase your coding questions just like you would ask a human. For example, if you're working with Python and need help with a function, you can simply type, "How do I write a function to calculate the factorial of a number in Python?" and hit enter. Claude will generate code snippets or explanations based on your query. If the initial response isn't exactly what you're looking for, you can refine your question or ask for further clarification. You can also paste your existing code into the prompt for debugging help. Claude can suggest corrections or improvements. Remember that Claude's strength lies in its ability to handle complex questions and provide detailed explanations. So don't hesitate to ask for deeper insights. As you interact more with Claude, you'll find it can assist with a wide range of programming tasks, from simple syntax queries to more complex algorithmic challenges. Keep the conversation going by providing context or asking follow-up questions to get the most out of the tool. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.